Hello, Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Aries, what's your reading this April 1 to 15, 2025? Let's take a look at your overall energy. Okay, you have Three of Pentacles in upright position. I see that you are going to get recognized with your co-workmates, friends, and families. With your skills and effort, meron tayong recognition. Maganda din yung teamwork nyo with your co-workmates or your friends. I also sense meron kayong shared effort and cooperation para ma-achieve yung isang goal or para ma-finish yung isang project. Maganda ang inyong collaboration, maganda ang inyong planning. Talagang maganda ang inyong growth. Supported din kayo ng mga tao sa paligid nyo. At saka steady ang inyong growth. Maganda yung relationship nyo with those person around you, Aries. So let's get another card. Okay, you have the Knight of Cups in upright position. Nasisense ko na for some of you, maybe you are very creative. You're working in the industry of editing. Something like that. Siguro sa iba sa inyo mga digital creator. For some of you that are single, nasisense ko din na merong romantic offer. Siguro may mga tao sa paligid nyo or may isang tao na nagkakagusto sa inyo at this time i-approach na talaga kayo ng taong ito para sabihin na maybe they want you to have dinner with them, parang ganun. Someone will offer love. Someone is going to offer a proposal, maybe in your career, financial, or love life, ganun. You can see this person holding a cup. It's offering something, diba? Nasisense ko din na maganda ang inyong financial situation. Very steady ang inyong flow of money. At nafe-feel ko din na you have this ability to follow your heart, follow your mind, parang kung ano yung nasa isip nyo, ginagawa nyo talaga. Kung anong nasa puso nyo, yun talaga yung gusto nyo, yun yung ginagawa nyo. So, let's get a Mystic Forest Oracle card from Angel. What's your guidance for Aries this coming April 1 to 15, 2025? Exactly as you are. The one who is always dissatisfied with the present moment will never have a better future. Give yourself permission to feel content right here, right now. Ayan o, ang ganda. Exactly as you are. So, yung sinabi ko kung anong gusto nyo, kung gusto ng mind nyo or gusto ng heart nyo, ginagawa nyo talaga. Kaya siguro yung card na nabunot natin is exactly as you are. And I do feel that you are very contented as of the moment. You're very contented right now with those person around you, with those people that support you, team collaboration. Napakaganda ng reading nyo. This April, Month 15, 2025 at abangan nyo ang bagong proposal na darating or bagong live sa inyo. Okay? That's your reading for today, Aries. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.